Good day, guys. Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be checking out Armor All's Extreme Shield Plus Ceramic Tire Coating. So yes, we got another review coming up on one of Armor All's new ceramic lineup. This one is their tire coating. So it is a tire shine. They're calling it a tire coating because it is a plus ceramic tire coating. So they're claiming you're going to have a ceramic protection on your tire for that tire shine. I'm just going to go over a few things on the bottle. We'll hop right into this review. Try to keep this video as short and sweet as possible. One thing with this product before I get started, you can pick this up. It's readily available at any kind of auto parts store or your local Walmart, and it's going to run you right around 12 bucks as the time of the filming of this video. So very easy to find this product and pick this product up, which is super cool. But we're going to see what they have to say about this product, and then we're going to get out, we're going to start using it, and we'll see what kind of results it delivers and if it works as claimed. But real quick before we get that started, please remember to smash that thumbs up if you like this video. Also, drop a comment down below if it is something that you're interested in, something you've tried, whatever it is, if you have any recommendations for any other products, if you're enjoying the content. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. So what Armor All has to say on the back of their bottle is Armor All Extreme Shield Plus Ceramic Tire Coating. Dirt repelling formula shines and protects, plus leaves behind a durable barrier using SiO2 based technology that helps tires stay clean longer. Non-greasy, medium shine, finishes dry to the touch, endures for weeks against rain, dirt, and multiple car washes. Easy to use multi-directional aerosol sprayer with uniform coverage. Directions for use. Number 1, shake well before use. Number 2, apply on cool, clean tire. Number 3, hold can 4 to 6 inches away from tire and spray evenly in a clockwise, steady sweeping motion. Number 4, remove any overspray or drips with a microfiber towel on each tire. Number 5, allow to dry for at least 30 minutes. Repeat steps 3 and 4 to cover any low points on the tire. Wipe up drips and any overspray from wheels or paint. Number 6, allow coating to dry for 1 hour before driving and at least 24 hours to set the ceramic hydrophobic technology. Number 7, before storing, wipe tip of nozzle. Note, spray outside or in a well-ventilated space. This formula's chemistry creates a strong sulfur smell. Pro tip, add multiple coats of Armor All Extreme Shield Plus Ceramic Tire Coating to increase level of shine. Allow formula to dry to touch approximately 1 hour to avoid sling. A full 24 hours cure locks in repellency. So that is what Armor All has to say about their Extreme Shield Plus Ceramic Tire Coating. Very easy. I do like that it says that it leaves a medium shine. As you can see right here on the bottle, it has a little gauge showing medium shine, lasts for weeks. That part we don't know. But I do like that. I like a medium shine. One thing I do want to say is it is extremely windy outside. So hopefully applying this product is not just going to blow it around everywhere. I am going to try to do some talking. If the talking is very distorted by the wind, I'm just going to cut the talking out. That way you're not listening to wind noise. Then we will see what the tires look like afterwards, and I will give my final thoughts on it. So let's head on out and check this stuff out. So the sprayer does work well. One thing is it goes on, I'm going to say pretty heavy. It is very, very wet. I'm going to bring you in to show you closer. If that's what you want, that is totally fine. I have a few spots that I've missed. This is going to be too glossy for me. There's a lot of product. With this much product, you're going to get sling. So for me, at this point, this definitely needs knocked down with a microfiber, and then I think it's going to level it out. But I'll bring you in, show you before I knock it down with a microfiber. So as you can see, there is a lot of product on there, and there is a few spots, as right up top, that I've mentioned that I missed. But I think knocking this down with a microfiber is going to even it out, and it's going to look pretty good, so let's find out. So for me, knocking it down with the microfiber, that is the look right there that I like. It's kind of a satin finish. There is a few spots in the tread lugs that you can definitely see the product is built up in. I just wanted to knock it down real quick to see what it looks like. This product is very thick on the tire. There's nothing wrong with that. So coming in and take a closer look after knocking it down with the microfiber, this finish looks really good to me. This is what I like. So let me go ahead, do the rest of the tires. We'll see what it looks like. But as I mentioned, you're gonna wanna knock it down because as wet and as heavy as that product is going on, it's going to sling. All right, so there is the quick, simple, easy review. It's a tire dressing, tire coating. It's not a whole lot goes into it. It's very easy. A few things I want to mention about this. The strong sulfur smell. Yes, this product does stink. It doesn't smell good at all. The product is very thick. The sprayer works nice, but because of the product being so thick, it's kind of goopy, if you will, spraying out. But that's not really a downside. It just kind of gets on the side of the can and you can just feel it. It's kind of gross. But the product's very thick. You could spray it on. You could kind of just let it like ooze down around the tire if you want to let it just have that higher gloss shine. But as I showed, and I wasn't talking because like I said, the wind is horrible. But I rubbed the tire and you can see my hands were dry. So it's not going to attract dust and dirt. When you apply this, how it's really wet, you're going to get sling. Dust and dirt is going to be attracted to it. It's going to stick in that surface. So basically just evening it out, knocking it down with a microfiber, I think is the best way. Personally, using this product again, what I would do myself is I would have my foam applicator for tire dressings. I would just spray a little bit of this into the applicator and I would rub that around on the tire. I wouldn't spray directly out of the can onto the tire because of how thick this formula is and the sprayer trying to atomize it to a finer mist. Just kind of doesn't work super good. Overall though, the finish that it left on the tire does look really good. Alright, so this is going to be a little bit of a bonus content at the end of this video. If this is something you like seeing, drop that down in the comment section down below. But I'm going to talk about it a little bit, and I documented with some pictures. I got close to that 2-week mark. The tire shine or the tire coating was lasting for that 2 weeks. And to be honest, I would say the 24 hours after and then so on until the tires started getting dirty, I really like the shine that this stuff left. So I'm gonna go ahead and start rolling those pictures and start talking about this tire shine, or as Armor All calls it, the tire coating. But as you saw through this video, this tire coating was very easy to apply. Yes, it was a very thick, kind of goopy formula, but knocking that down with a microfiber towel has gave these tires great results, as you're seeing here. Throughout the days, as days went on, this tire coating has held up really good. It has left a very nice shine that I like and that I prefer on a tire, and they just look really good. The durability of it, I was very impressed with. Would I say that it is going to last longer than other tire shines or other tire coatings? I'm not really going to say it is or it isn't, but it is going to give you a nice lasting shine, and as the bottle claims, that 2 weeks of durability. They're saying protection on your tires. But it does look very good, as I mentioned. I'm not trying to keep repeating myself, but I was just very impressed by this product, especially for the price point, the ease of use, and the availability of this product. So there it is. There's the tires. Definitely drop that down in the comment section below of what you thought. What did you think of this? Is this a product that you've used? If you've used it, the results that you've got. If you haven't, personally, I think this is a really good option, like I mentioned, for the price point and availability and ease of use of this product. Very impressed with it. Great overall. Very, very happy with the outcome. And it did perform as they claimed, and I did get that 2 weeks. The tires look great. But I want to thank you all so much for stopping in and checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely smash that thumbs up. If you have not, please consider subscribing to the channel. Ring the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. But I will catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.